300, man. Ha! Money. Hey, if you like money, you will listen to this song. Yeah, I said money, 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 bitch, that paper always coming. If you broke, get some crutches. If you ain't getting no money, I'm like Pokemon, nigga, man, I gotta catch them all. Calculator, weed on the scale, niggas time to ball. $1,000 in my pocket, 2 blunts in my other. Man, I'm getting lots of money, man, I put that on my mother like a bank teller, man. I'm always counting money. When your work going up, that's when niggas start acting funny. So I never trust no nigga and I never trust no hoe. All I do is get money, always focused on my dough. Money on my mind all the time like Lil Wayne. Nigga, I don't get money, nigga, I get bank. So when I go and spend the cash, I got some more in my account. Money standing so tall, that bitch should be up on the mount. I be selfish with these hoes, I never show my dang count. If I got some extra bills, I ain't giving shit out, and that's real. Get this money, chasing cash, living fast. I'm about my money just like cat stacks. If these niggas talking shit, they better have their bread right. Cause my money heavy, we ain't eating on no carb light. Nigga, money, money. If you getting money, nigga, listen to this song. Smoke the weed, put it in there, light it at the bone, nigga. Get money, nigga. Get money, nigga. Get money, nigga. Get money, nigga. Ha.